Hello, welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is Vegetable Chop Suey. A friend once asked my wife why we did so many vegetarian dishes on Rough Diamond Recipes. My wife just said, "My husband doesn't eat meat." The friend said, "Oh, is that for ethical reasons?" My wife then looked at her and just said, "Nah, just don't give him any." Anyway, back to the cooking. You can of course use any vegetables you like for this recipe, but the major thing to remember is cut them of a size that they cook evenly, all together. We're using this time baby sweet corn, mange tout, broccoli, carrots, red onions, pak choy, mushrooms and red peppers. But like I said, you can use anything you like. The first thing we need to do for this recipe is make the stir fry sauce. And to do this, put the cornflour, black pepper, cooking wine, soy sauce, followed by the oyster sauce if we ever get it out of the bottle. See what I mean? And sesame oil in a suitably sized container and thoroughly mix together. Then follow this with a splash of water to thin it out. Next, heat a tablespoon of oil in the suitably sized frying pan. When it's hot, add the sliced garlic and fry off for a minute or two. Then place the bean sprouts to one side and add all the rest of the vegetables to the pot and mix in well. Then continue to fry over a high heat for 3 or 4 minutes until the vegetables just start to soften. Then it's time to add the stir fry sauce, or in my wife's case, half the stir fry sauce, adding the other half 2 minutes later. Don't know why she did it, but it keeps her happy. Then continue to fry over a high heat until the sauce thickens. You might want to add a splash of water if you think it's a bit too thick. Then it's time to add the bean sprouts and mix in. And then when the bean sprouts are cooked, but still remain crunchy, it's time to serve. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon again in the next one. Bye for now.